When the disinfection process is complete, the process indicator light on the front panel will turn on. The indicator light will flash intermittently if there has been a cycle interruption. In this last section, we will discuss the advanced sensor package and how to troubleshoot some common error messages. Your dsd201 is outfitted with an advanced sensor package to assure that the endoscope is properly and thoroughly processed. The optical basin sensor is used to verify that the basin is filled with fluid to a certain level within a prescribed time period. If it is not filled in time, the unit will beep and the status and warning indicators will flash. The LCD will display a low chamber message. Check the phase indicator LEDs on the control panel. If the unit is in the rinse cycle, a low chamber message is indicative of a water problem. The filters may need replacement. The water supply may be turned off or is not providing sufficient flow and pressure, or there is some other factor impeding the adequate flow of water to fill the basin within the prescribed time period. Inspect the filter gauge pressures. When appropriate, change the filters and make sure the water is turned on. If the unit is running a disinfectant cycle, check or change the disinfectant filter. If the cause of the error message is not obvious, consult the instruction manual or call for technical support. A base sen error is indicative of fluid on the basin sensor. If the basin sensor is wiped off, the error may be corrected. If the error message persists or if fluid is left in the basin, contact technical support. The flow sensor is designed to assure that there is fluid or airflow to the scope channel connectors. This sensor enables a no fluid flow error message if no fluid flow is detected. Check the phase indicator LED on the display. If the dsd201 is in the rinse step, make sure the endoscope connector is snapped completely into the basin port, inspect the water filters, and make sure the water pressure is sufficient. If the unit is in the disinfect step, check the disinfectant filter and assure the endoscope connector is in place. If the cause of the error is not obvious, contact technical support. If a flow sense error is displayed, the flow sensor could be stuck in the on position. Press Stop to cancel this message. Then press Add Air to free the sensor. If the cause of the error is not obvious, contact technical support or review the instruction manual. A no airflow message is indicative of no air detected by the sensor. Consider replacing the air filter or inspect and reconnect the endoscope connector. If the problem persists, contact technical support or review the instruction manual. The dsd201 has fluid sensors in the reservoirs to assure that the proper level of disinfectant is maintained. If the LCD display shows low dis res, the level of disinfectant in the reservoir is low. Add disinfectant to the prescribed level and restart the process. The unit may not be level, which can affect the level sensors. Contact technical support or review the manual for additional information. If the unit displays high dis res, the fluid level in the disinfectant reservoir is too high. Water may have inadvertently been introduced into the disinfectant reservoir. Check the concentration of the disinfectant, dump, and replace if necessary. If the problem persists, contact technical support or review the instruction manual. Your Medivator's dsd201 automated endoscope reprocessor has been engineered to give you many years of reliable